you read that right. Today we're going to talk about the Blue by ADT security system and my thoughts on it. All right, so here we have the Blue by ADT. This is the box, the main hub that it comes in. Let's go and open it up. As you can see, that's how it comes. This is the smart hub, and it comes with some sensors and accessories in one box here. These already come pre-labeled for you. So for example, these are door and window sensors, and they also have the corresponding number to help making setup a lot easier on there. Coming through here, you have the smart home hub. This acts as both your keyboard, sorry, not keyboard, your keypad and your alarm system. Depending on the package you purchase, you will get an ADT sign. The home hub does come packaged like this. Pull it out. This is the keypad on the top. Power underneath, and all the accessories underneath here. Now this is what this comes with. You have a solar panel that's for the outdoor camera. It is wireless. You also have your doorbell camera, and you have a wedge kit depending on the angle of your doorbell or where it's positioned. You might need that. This is something that I had to ask for due to the position of the doorbell in my home. Again, with the doorbell camera, pretty self-explanatory. It just sits right here on the top. You do have some stuff in the back that you have to connect. All hardware is included with this. For obvious purposes, I don't want to show any numbers. This can be hardwired and work with an existing door chime if you have one. If not, you can hook it up to an Alexa. ADT likes to promote the Google Hub, Home Hub, but it does have that capability in there. And with the doorbell wedge kit, pretty self-explanatory. One part will hook up to your home, the exterior of your home, and the other part hooks up to the back of your camera and slides right on in. Open the solar panel, you're greeted by a manual / welcome guide, and slide this out. This is the actual solar panel right here. It speaks for itself. Solar panel. Pull this out. Plug it into the back of your outdoor camera. Once you open the box to the outdoor camera, you will then find this big old, like 19, I don't know what they were thinking with this battery in there. This is also the mount, the bottom of the mount, so you can mount it in there. You know, you can mount it to fix it to the wall permanently if you like, or if you just wanted to have it standing on its own. That's completely up to you. And again, that is what the solar panel is there for, so you can have a continuous charge. In terms of removing the battery, just take this off here, slides right off. And last but not least, you have the motion sensors. Pretty standard, just hooks right on. This is to be mounted. All hardware is included, mounted on the wall, and just slides right on in there. That's the motion sensor. All right, so let's go over pricing. You can buy each of these items individually. They're about $1.99 a piece. Some things are about $49 or so. Once you own the equipment, the good thing is all you have to pay is a monitoring fee of $19.99. If you don't own the equipment and you decide to finance or lease some of it, it's whatever the finance cost is plus the $19.99, and it can get costly, and I believe it's a minimum of 36 months. So if you can afford to purchase the equipment, why not? It's not bad. I definitely do like the quality of the cameras. They're a lot better than some of their competitors. What I would say I don't like is the delay. I noticed that there was a delay when it came to getting notifications with the outdoor cameras and the motion. Sorry, I had a blank. um, you know, I got on the phone with customer service and, you know, they couldn't fix it as much as they tried to. And they were trying to tell me I needed to create events and things like that. You know, I'm coming from Brinks and I am not used to that. I'm used to every time that an event happens, hey, I get alert. I believe on Blink it's called a re-trigger alert or something like that. So if getting your notifications as they occur is something that's important to you, I wouldn't recommend it. Would I say it has great camera quality? Of course, yes. Very wide angle, I like that. On the doorbell, it allows you to go ahead and do a 180 view. So depending on where your stuff is positioned, that can be great. You can get a lot wider angle. When it comes to night mode, it's just night vision. It's not full color. So if that's something that's important to you, you might want to check them out. I've seen other post about those, and you know, you can get some clips and some samples from their website. For a DIY, I think it's a little bit on the pricier side in terms of what you're getting. But again, guys, you're just paying for the ADT name. It's Blue by ADT, and you're just paying for the name. I do think there might be some better options out there in the market, but it's for what you're getting, it's not bad. It's decent quality, but I think there's always better. There's always room for improvement, you know, but you can't really go wrong with these if you're on a budget. If you just want to go for ADT, go ahead. All right, and that's my take on it.